Top 5 invisible mistakes realtors make that keep them broke, and how to fix them using subconscious belief rewiring in just 24 days. If you are watching this right now, I'm going to assume you are a realtor who's done the hard work, you've put in the hours, chased the leads, and even followed up and learned the scripts. But something is still not clicking. You're not hitting the numbers you should. Not consistently. You're either stuck at a certain monthly ceiling or your income is unpredictable. You've got anxiety every time rent is due, or you have to run ad budgets, and deep down you're wondering, what am I missing? I'll tell you, it's not more hustle. It's not a better CRM. It's not some 7th level closing technique. The real issue, you are making invisible mistakes, not on the surface, but in your subconscious belief system. And in this webinar and training, I'm going to walk you through the 5 most dangerous invisible mistakes that are keeping most realtors broke, and more importantly, how to fix them using subconscious rewiring in just 24 days. So let's come to chapter 1. Chasing 1 million AD in commission, but making probably 200 or 300,000 dirhams. Let's start with the most common, most painful, and the least discussed problem in the industry. You're chasing that big number. Maybe your target is 1 million dirham in commission this year. That's about 83,000 dirhams a month. You want it? You've written it on your vision board. You've told yourself, this is my year. But if you check your CRM, if you look at your bank statement, you are still stuck around 150 to 200 or even 300,000 dirhams. Why? Because your income is a reflection of the beliefs you have conditioned your nervous system to tolerate. It's not that you are lazy. It's not that you lack talent. It's that you are running your business on an outdated identity. Let me say it straight. You are trying to build 1 million AD income with a 200,000 dirham self-image. You can work harder, add more pressure, grind till midnight, but your subconscious mind, if it says I'm a 300,000 dirham agent or 200,000 dirham agent, you will sabotage every opportunity that threatens to exceed that ceiling. How? You hesitate to follow up with high-end buyers. You underpitch luxury listing. You start getting leads and you ghost them, or they ghost you. You avoid applying to agencies that deal with 10 million dirham plus properties, and you'll call it strategy, but it's fear. Until you update your internal thermostat, you will return to your comfort zone. That's why in Realtor 1, we don't just give tactics. We rewire your subconscious identity to match your 1 million dirham goal. It's not about doing more. It's about becoming more. Coming to chapter 2. You are selling the wrong homes. Let's be honest, your target is 1 million dirham in commission, but you're spending your day renting out studios for 38 or 40,000 dirhams a year. Or you're selling studios for 400 to 500,000 dirhams. Even if you work 24/7, you're not going to hit that number because the math simply doesn't work. Now, I'm not saying you can't build that from that level, but if you're already aiming big, you need to play big, and market gives you that opportunity. And that means this: you must sell to clients who value high ticket properties and see you as someone worthy of advising them. Let's take an example. Say MR launches a new luxury project, beachfront, downtown, whatever. That same inventory is being pushed by 10,000 agents. So how are you going to stand out? The unit is the same, the brochure is the same, the payment plan is the same. When the product is the same, the differentiator is the belief, the delivery, and the energy of the person pitching it. Here's what most agents don't get. The client isn't just buying the unit. They are buying your conviction. They are buying your specialization, your knowledge. They are buying your energy. They are buying your certainty in the product that you're offering. If you pitch from fear and only for your commission, you lose. If you pitch from authority, they sign. So what gives you that authority? Beliefs, self-worth, internal certainty. That's why some agents can close 10 million dirham villas, 30 million dirham villas, while others get ghosted for our 600,000 dirham studio. It's not because they are better at sales. It's because they have trained themselves to feel worthy of closing big. They have rehearsed the million dirham pitch until it's in their bones. They believe they are doing the buyer a favor by guiding them. In Realtor 1, we rewire that belief system so you stop chasing low ticket clients and start attracting high ticket deals. Because here's the truth, you are the edge. The product is the vehicle. When you shift, everything changes. Coming to chapter 3, you don't have a lead generation problem. Let's get something straight. Your lead generation is not broken. You have enough leads, but you are not converting them. And the reason is simple. It's not about the leads, it's about the belief. You might have 500 names in your database, but your self-doubt is louder than your follow-up. You are showing up on social media, but your energy is saying, don't look at me. You're trying to run ads, but deep down you believe they won't work. You set a low budget and you probably only post once. You cannot expect to win if you don't believe you deserve the results. This is what I call energy fracture. You say you want clients, but you fear being seen. You say you want inbound leads, but you are scared to look like a beginner. It's not a tactical problem. It's a subconscious one, because your subconscious creates dominant frequency, and frequency either attracts or it repels. That's why two agents can run the same ad, the same thing, and one of them is aligned and the other is self-sabotaging silently. In Realtor One, we remove this gap by rebuilding your internal congruence. We help you believe your content has value. We shift your identity from hesitant to magnetic. You don't need better leads. You need to become a better receiver. Coming to chapter 4. You are closing from desperation. You ever walk into a meeting and feel like the client sensed your neediness? You weren't saying please sign, but they felt it. They felt the pressure. They felt your hope. They felt your fear. Luxury buyers don't buy pressure. They buy poise. They buy balance, and they buy feelings. If your vibe is, I really need this deal, it's over before it even starts. High net worth clients don't just buy homes. They buy an experience. They buy the elevation. They want to feel smart, powerful, respected. And when you come with the energy that says, I hope you like me, you kill the feeling, you kill the frame, you kill the close. Now, let me ask you, are you conditioning your nervous system to hold luxury identity? Are you scripting your pitch from empowerment or from fear of rejection? Do you walk in believing they are lucky to work with me, this property sells itself, and I'm the guide, I'm here to elevate, not to convince? Or are you still walking in as a service provider? Luxury closings happen when you shift into being an advisor, a consultant, a trusted force, and a brand. In Realtor One, we do more than install affirmations. We install conviction, because conviction is the only thing that sells luxury, not more facts. Coming to chapter 5. You are building without a blueprint. Let me ask you a question that changed my business forever. What's your mental blueprint for success? Not your to-do list, not your goals, not your daily internal conditioning. What do you say yourself when you wake up? What's your go-to self-talk before a showing? How do you recover when a deal falls through? If you don't know, you're building a skyscraper without a foundation. Your subconscious is either working for you or against you, but it's always working. Most agents are trying to grow with random effort. No system, no protocol, just hope. And hope isn't a strategy. In Realtor One, we give you entire subconscious success blueprint, the daily rituals to install identity level change, the guided affirmations for certainty, trust, and attraction, the visualizations to wire confidence before every meeting, the belief journaling to install emotional alignment. Because here's the truth. You can't plant weak roots and expect rich fruit. If your beliefs are small, your bank balance will be too. We fix it from the ground up. Book your 15-minute belief audit call now. If anything resonated in this webinar, then don't leave with more notes. Take the next step. DM goal, or just click the link below and book a free 15-minute belief audit call. In that 15 minutes, we'll identify your top 3 subconscious blocks which halts realtors from next level of income and how to fix it. Map out how the Realtor One system can rewire your results in just 24 days. No pressure, just clarity. Because you don't need another script. You don't need more pressure. You need to become the agent who naturally closes at the level you dream about. Let's get you there. So I'll see you on the other side.